Hello students, in today's session we shall start with NCERT exemplar questions. We have totally 152 questions in this chapter. Let's start with the first type of questions. They are objective type. Question 1 is a number which can be expressed as P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0 is rational number. This is a standard definition of a rational number. It should be in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Question 2. A number of the form P by Q is said to be a rational number if P and Q, they should be integers and Q should not be equal to 0. Question 3. The numerical expression 3 by 8 plus negative 5 by 7 is equal to negative 19 by 56 shows that the rational numbers are closed under addition. Because you observe here, sum of two rational numbers is again a rational number. This particular property is called as a closure property. Since the addition is involved here, it is called as closed under addition. The rational numbers are closed under addition. Fourth one, which of the following is not true? Here, observe they have mentioned that rational numbers are closed under addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You must know that the rational numbers are not closed under division since 0 is involved. Except 0, if it is considered, then only it is closed. Because I'll give an example. 1 by 0 is not defined. So when I consider division by 0, the closure property is not true. Except for Q equal to 0, in rest of the cases, the closure property is true. Statement number 5. Minus 3 by 8 plus 1 by 7 equal to 1 by 7 plus minus 3 by 8 is an example to show that addition of rational numbers is commutative. If we simplify this, we get left hand side equal to right hand side. The LCM of 7 and 8 will be 56. On simplification, we will be getting negative 13 by 56 on both the sides. So when A plus B and B plus B is done, they all will be equal. These two will be equal. This property is called as commutativity. So addition of rational numbers is commutative. Statement 6. Which of the following expressions shows that rational numbers are associative under multiplication? We should know that A multiplied to the product B into C will be equal to the product A into B multiplied to C. This particular property is called as associativity under under multiplication. Here, this particular format is there in option A. When 2 by 3 is multiplied to negative 6 by 7 into 3 by 5, it is same as 2 by 3 into minus 6 by 7 multiplied to 3 by 5. A into B into C equal to A into B into C. You must observe how I am reading this out. I am giving pause here. A multiplied 2. There is a pause, then B into C is equal to A into B. There's a pause into C. A into B into C equal to A into B into C. This property is called as associative property under multiplication. 7, 0 is, it is known as additive identity element. It's an additive identity under addition, because we have learned that A plus 0 is A, which is same as 0 plus A. This is the role of 0, and 0 is additive identity element. On the similar note, we can answer 8th one. 1 is the identity for multiplication of rational numbers. If I consider A multiplied to 1, this will be equal to A, which is same as 1 multiplied to A. 9th one, the additive inverse of minus 7 by 19 is positive 7 by 19. The reason is minus 7 by 19 when added to positive 7 by 19, the LCM is 19. So negative 7 is added to positive 7. We get 0 by 19, which is equal to 0. Statement number 10. Multiplicative inverse of a negative rational number is. We know that the product of two rational numbers is 1, then only we have one particular number, the multiplicative inverse of the other. Suppose if you have some number A, it should be multiplied with 1 by A, then only we get 1 as the product. If we have a negative number, negative A, this has to be multiplied by 1 by minus A, then only the product is 1. Hence, the multiplicative inverse of negative rational number is again a negative rational number. So this verifies that option B is the right answer. Statement number 11. X plus 0 is equal to 0 plus x, which is equal to x, which is rational number. Then 0 is called identity for addition of rational number. 12th one. To get the product 1, we should multiply 8 by 21 by 21 by 8. Option C is the right answer, because 8 by 21 on multiplication with 21 by 8, we get it as 1, since 21 and 8, they both get cancelled. Now the 13th. Minus of minus x is same as positive x. You have seen the same thing in the exercise question also. The multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8 is. When we simplify this, what do we get? If I take this as minus of 1 by 7, this is same as 8 by 7, which is negative. So the multiplicative inverse will be 7 by minus 8. So option D is the right answer. Question number 15. If x be any rational number, then x plus 0 is equal to x. 16th one. The reciprocal of 1 is 1. The reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1. The reciprocal of 0 is not defined, because 1 by 0 is not defined. We don't get any quotient. 19th, the reciprocal of any rational number p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0, is q by p. 20th, if y be the reciprocal of a rational number x, then the reciprocal of y will be x. The reason is, if y is written as 1 by x, then 1 by y will be same as x. The reciprocal of minus 3 by 8 multiplied to minus 7 by 13 is, we need to simplify this. We will be getting positive 21 by 104. The reciprocal of this is 104 by positive 21. So option A is the right answer. 22nd, which of the following is an example of distributive property of multiplication over addition for rational numbers? You must know that when A is multiplied to the sum B plus C, the distributive property says A should be multiplied to B plus A should be multiplied to C. And this format is present in option A. Option A is the right answer. Statement number 23. Between two given rational numbers, we can find infinitely many rational numbers. This particular property was named as betweenness property. 24th, x plus y by 2 is a rational number between x and y. Which of the following statement is always true? X minus y by 2 is a rational number between x and y. X plus y by 2 is a rational number between x and y. X into y by 2 is a rational number between x and y. X divided by y divided by 2 is a rational number between x and y. Here, the second option is always true. X plus y by 2 is a rational number always. Now we have questions 26 to 47. They are fill in the blanks type. We need to fill the blank to make the statements true. The equivalent of 5 by 7 whose denominator is 45 is, when I take 5 by 7 to get the denominator as 45, the numerator as 45, not the denominator, we need to multiply this 5 with 9. So 9 has to be multiplied to 7, we get 63. So the equivalent number is 45 upon 63. 27th, the equivalent rational number of 7 by 9 whose denominator is 45. The same method, we need to multiply 9 with 5, then only we get 45 in the denominator. So 7 has to be multiplied by 5, we get 35. So the answer is 35 upon 45. 28th, between the numbers 15 by 20 and 35 by 40, the greater number is. We need to find out which one among this is greater. For that, I will write the given number. To compare, I should have either the numerator same or the denominator same. For that, I will express this 15 by 20 by multiplying 2 to numerator and denominator. I get 30 by 40. For the number 35 by 40, I need not multiply. Now these two numbers, they have the same denominator. It's very clear that 30 by 40 is smaller compared to 35 by 40. So the number larger is 35 by 40. 29th, the reciprocal of a positive rational number is positive rational number always. 30th, the reciprocal of a negative rational number is a negative rational number always. 0 has no reciprocal. The numbers 1 and -1 are their own reciprocal. If y is reciprocal of x, the reciprocal of y square in terms of x will be. So we need to find, they have given that y is a reciprocal of x. So 1 by x is y. Y square will be 1 by x square. The reciprocal of y square means 1 by y square. Now if I substitute 1 by x square in the place of y square, I'll get x square, because this denominator should be multiplied by the reciprocal, it becomes x square. 34, the reciprocal of 2 by 5 into -4 by 9 is. We need to first simplify. On simplification, it is same as negative 8 by 45. The reciprocal of this number is negative 45 by 8. Question 35. 213 into 657 to the power -1 is equal to 213 to the power -1 into. You must know that a number to the power -1 is 1 by a. This is a reciprocal of a. So 213 into 657 to the power -1, it will be 1 upon 213 into 657. This will be equal to 1 by 213 into, let me write this as a question mark. So the question mark will be equal to 213 divided by 213 into 657. This is by cross multiplication. 213 will get cancelled. we get 1 by 657. So this particular number is 657 to the power minus 1. The negative of 1 is minus 1. The rational numbers a by b, c by d and e by f, we have a by b into c by d plus e by f will be equal to, we need to use distributive property. So a by b should be multiplied to both these numbers in the bracket. So a by b multiplied to e by f, or it can be written as ac by bd plus ae by bf. We shall end today's session with this question 37. We shall take up the next question onwards in the next session. Thank you.